Good morning, students. In previous class, I had solved, I have told you some rules to find the HCF and LCM of two or more than two numbers. For working rule, I have told you that first of all, find the prime factors of all the numbers whose HCF is to be determined. And second rule, find the product of all the prime factors of each number, and this product will be the required HCF of the given number. And also I have told you about the division method. In question number 1 of exercise 7a, you are asked to find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So, first question of this exercise is solution. Given numbers is 36 and 60. 36 and 60. First of all, we find the prime factors of 24. Prime factors of 36 is equal to 34, 18, 9, 3, 3 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Prime factors of 36. Similarly, prime factors of 60 is equal to 2, 15, 3, 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now we find the common factors of common factors of 36 and 60 are 36 and 60 are 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 prime factors, common factors, 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. Hence the HCF of 36 and 60 is equal to 12. Answer. To solve question number 2, do same as question number 1. In question number 2, find the HCF of the following numbers using prime factorization. Same. And question number 3, find the HCF of the following numbers by continued division method. Question number 3 of question number 3. Solution 3 E number question, EF 20 35 and 40. 20, 35 and 40. In this question, you are asked to find the HCF by continued division method. For HCF of more than two numbers, I have said that first of all, find the HCF, divide the greater number by the smaller number. If the remainder is 0, then a smaller number is the HCF of the two numbers. If the remainder is not 0, then divide the smaller number by the remainder obtained in step 1 and find the remainder. If this remainder is 0, then the divisor of this step will be the HCF of the given number. So, if you have to find the HCF of numbers by continued division method, first of all, divide the greater number by the smaller number. To solve by continued division method, first of all, we find the HCF of 20 and 35. HCF of 20 and 35 by continued division method. HCF of 25. Divide 35 by 20, greater number by a smaller number. Dividing 35 by 20, we write as here 20 to the 40. So we take divisor 1. 20 goes one time in 35. Write 20 on subtracting 15 as remainder. Again, the new divisor is 15 and the new dividend is 20. So dividing 20 by 15, 15 goes one time in 20, on subtracting remainder is 5. Again, new divisor is 5 and the new dividend is equal to 15, dividing by 5 goes 3 times in 15, so 5 3s are 15. Here the HCF of 20 and 35 is 5. Now, again here, we find the HCF of 5 and 35. Again HCF बराबर HCF is equal to 5. Again HCF of 20 and HCF of 5 and 40. Here 40 is greater number and 5 is a smaller number. So according to rule, dividing greater number by a smaller number. Greater number by a smaller number. 5 goes 8 times in 40. So remainder is 0. Hence, the last divisor will be the required HCF. Hence HCF of 20, 35 and 40. And 40 is equal to 5. Answer. So using prime factorization method and by continued division method, you can solve the all questions of this exercise. Exercise is very easy. I had solved 2-3 examples of this exercise, and now I had solved 2 questions from exercise 7A. I give you task to complete this exercise. Very easy exercise. I hope that you can complete it. Thank you.